James and Nicky from Fine & Country.
You've joined us here at Copper Beeches, prime development site in Blackdown, Leamington Spa.
The plot's approximately 2 acres, surrounded by beautiful countryside and just a 5-minute drive from Leamington town centre.
The property is surrounded by multi-million-pound properties. It's a very desirable place to live. Hope you've enjoyed the video of Copper Beeches. This is a rare opportunity to acquire a brilliant development site in one of Warwickshire's prime locations.
If you would like any more information or to come and have a look around, please contact us with the details that will follow. Thank you for watching.